Hello YouTube, my name is Ali. On this channel we talk about making money online. If this is something you're interested in, hit that subscribe button and continue on watching. Today this is a follow-up video from a couple days ago. I did a video showing you how to clear up your your Google account when it becomes full. Basically when I go here to go into my emails, it was showing me that my Google Drive was completely full, even though I purchased 100 gigabytes. It normally comes in with 15 gigs, but it even though with me purchasing additional storage, it was all filled up due to a lot of photos and videos that I upload. And what I did is I had to go to Google Takeout. I showed you guys this thing last week. You need to come down here, clean up, Google Takeout. Okay. So what you would do, you would go to this link, takeout.google.com, and it would take you to this link here, and you select, basically, when you go to this link, everything's going to be selected. This is going to be a short video. If you guys don't want to see more detailed stuff, go back to the other one. You want to deselect everything here. You want to scroll down to your photos, because your photos is what takes the most storage. So you want to scroll down to Google Photos, somewhere around here. Give me 1 second here. Google Photos. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? There you go, Google Photos. So what you could do over here, basically you select that. Everything would be deselected when you go click on that link, on that thing up there. And you can go here, multiple formats, all albums. If you click on all albums over here, you can go down here and select whatever album you want. Okay, so you got 21, 20, 22, 23, 24. So you can select whatever you want and basically download that folder, or you can just select, you can leave this tick mark here and scroll all the way down and hit next step, and it would send you an email. And mine was almost 80 gigs. So it took overnight for them to kind of compile the stuff together and send me an email. And it was sent to my, they sent me an email with the link that looked like this. Okay. Anyway, if you're enjoying the content, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. I'd love to hear from you guys. Also check out the link below for additional work from home options. This stuff that I've used, and I know it does work. Best of luck. Love you guys. Email, it says your Google data is ready to download. So look for that subject. That's how you know. So you come in here and it shows you all these different links here. When you click on it, this thing will pop up here, and you would have multiple downloads. I have 11, part 11 of 11. So what you do, you download, those are, I'm downloading right now. Watch this. I'm downloading three of them, and they're each 10 gigs. So it's going to take a couple minutes for that to download. Once they're downloaded, you can just go back to your Google Photos and just delete everything out of there, or just delete the ones that you feel like they're using up the most space and keep whatever's on there. I hope this helps, guys. Just wanted to keep this video really short. If you're interested in making money online and ditching your 9-to-5, I'm going to leave a link below. That's something that I use, and it's paying me on autopilot. Let me actually show you guys my payout for, let me come back here, here, and you guys get to see all my, well, I'm gonna have to blur all this out because it's my secrets. Yeah. All right, so let me go here, come back here, log into here. Okay. If you guys want to learn more about affiliate marketing and how to make money online, comment the number 1 below this video, and I'll be more than happy to send you some information to get you started. Okay, it's real easy to make money online, but you have to have the right coach and you have to have the right mentor. Otherwise, you'll spend years and millions of dollars trying to get there. You'll eventually get there if you watch a lot of YouTube videos and all that. Hey guys, if you're enjoying this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thank you. But it's going to take you years to learn that. If you're interested in learning this thing very quickly, just comment number 1 below this, and I'll be more than happy to help you. But anyway, you guys can see I got thousands of dollars over here. My last payment was this, and I got another payment coming up right here. basically I got almost 6,000, and I got 120 bucks coming in, and I got another 120 bucks, and this just comes in on autopilot, guys. And if you click on the link below, it'll take you to this site over here, and you'll be able to become an affiliate yourself and start marketing, promoting this product yourself. And if you give enough value to your audience, someone is eventually going to click the link and make a purchase, and you'll be receiving a 40% recurring commission on this product or anything they buy in the future, whether it's books or la da 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 da. There's billions of things to promote, and this is all 100% legit, and it comes through Clickfunnels, so it's a win-win situation. Best of luck, you guys. Again, check out the link that I have below this video, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Have a great day, and best of luck. Bye-bye.